Hey guys, and welcome back to the Java tutorial series. Today I will be teaching you guys for loops. So what a loop basically is, it's something that can repeat a set of code multiple times. So open up Eclipse and let's get started. So I'm back in the program from before, and then I'm going to press enter twice and type in 4 to create a for loop. Then I'll put brackets, and beside that I'll put curly brackets. And now there's going to be errors because there's no condition for the for loop. So how a for loop basically works is you have to basically make a variable for it. You have to initialize, so let's say I equals 1 semicolon, and then you need to type in the condition for this for loop to be running. So the conditions are going to be, let's say, let's change this to 0, and so we're going to make the condition. So while I is, let's say, smaller than 10 semicolon, then you have to type in what I should be added from in each loop. So let's do I plus plus, so it will be added to 1, be added to it in each iteration. So you'll see that I have an error with I because there's already a variable called I, which is actually going to be the list. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to press Control, and F on my keyboard. I'm going to type in F over here. Actually, let's change I. I'm going to type in find. And then let's see where I is. So what I'm actually going to do is just remove all of this code. If you want to keep it, you could. But I'm just going to, let's say, this area till, let's just do till here, and that's where I'm going to press backspace on my keyboard and have to get some space, go back into my for loop, and you should see the error from I has disappeared. You could also save that code in a separate file if you want to, and you should watch my first video if you want to know how to do that. Now let's say we want to print, let's print I on each iteration. Now system dot out dot println, and now let's put in there I. Now let's run this program, and you could see it started at 0 and then went all the way till 9. That is because I started at 0. What happened is it printed I, which is 0, and then it checked if it's bigger than 10 or not, which happened over here. If it's bigger than 10, it doesn't print, and 1 gets added to I on each iteration, as you could see here. It says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you actually want to make this actually go up to 10, what you need to do is change I to 1 and set the condition to 11. Now if you run this, you could see it starts from 1 and then goes all the way till 10. Now I'll show you an example of a for loop for each loop. So how you make a for each loop is you type in 4, and then what you have to do is you actually have to let's make an int. Let's say call this Q, and then you have to put a colon, and then you type in a list. So let's say I score, and let's put curly brackets, and what I'm actually going to do is press Control F on my keyboard, find high score, and press find, and then I'm going to change it to high scores and press replace all and close it. Now what I can do is rename Q to high score. So what this means is for every variable, everything in high score, let's say if it has, in this case it has 10, 5 and 2 in it, what I will do it for every high score in high scores. So 1, 2, 3, it will do this. So let's do something. I'm going to show you a complicated example, which is going to be, before that, I'm going to make a counter variable outside of this for loop. So type in int counter equals 0 or a semicolon at the end. Now in here what we're going to do is counter plus plus semicolon, and then at the end what we're going to do is print in dot out println, and we're going to print in there are space, and then we're going to use at plus counter plus space high scores. And now if you run this, you could see it counts, and then it says there are 3 high scores. Now if you want to add to this variable, let's say you add 29, and let's say you add 10, you put in, now if you run, you could see that it says that you had there are 5 high scores, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. For loops and for each loops can be very useful while programming. So I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.